In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone as webcam with OBS or Streamlabs. Use iPhone as webcam with OBS Studio. We're turning your iPhone into a high-quality webcam for OBS Studio or Streamlabs, and we'll cover two reliable options, a USB setup using Camo and a wireless setup using Ninja. Both are quick to get running, and I'll point out settings that help you get a crisp 1080p picture with minimal hassle. Start by installing Camo on your iPhone and the matching Camo app on your computer. You need both pieces so the phone can talk to your desktop. When you open the app on your phone, allow camera and microphone permissions so OBS can see the video feed. Keeping both apps up to date helps avoid connection issues. For the most stable and lowest latency result, connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Open OBS or Streamlabs, go to the Sources panel, and click the plus button. Choose Video Capture Device. In the device list, select Camo Camera. Depending on what you've installed, you may also see options like DroidCam. Choose the one that matches the app you're using. This USB method is great for long streams because it's consistent and doesn't depend on Wi-Fi quality. If you prefer a wireless option, use your iPhone's browser to go to video.ninja and tap Share Your Camera. The site will generate a unique URL that points directly to your phone's video feed. Copy that URL. In OBS, click the plus button in Sources again, but this time select Browser. Paste the video.ninja link into the URL field. This creates a peer-to-peer connection, so you can send your phone's camera to OBS without installing extra drivers on your computer. Whichever path you choose, make sure the video looks clean and sharp. In the source settings, set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 for full HD. In a browser source, you can type those numbers into the width and height fields. In a video capture device, select 1920x 1080 from the resolution dropdown. If your phone image appears sideways or upside down, rotate the phone to match your scene layout. Landscape orientation usually fills the frame best. If your phone tries to auto-rotate during a stream, lock the orientation first for a consistent shot. A couple of quick polish tips while you're here: stabilize the phone with a stand so your framing stays steady, plug in a charger for longer sessions, and choose your audio source in OBS, either the iPhone mic through Camo or a separate microphone for clearer sound. That's it, your iPhone is now working as a webcam inside OBS or Streamlabs.